Hello beautiful people, welcome to Rifshal Teach. In this video we are going to replace Samsung A53 motherboard. By watching this video you can easily replace your phone motherboard by yourself. So don't skip any second of this video, let's have a look. First of all, we are going to open this phone back part. If it's hard to open, you can use alcohol and heat gun to open this phone back part. So we are just using alcohol to open this phone back part. You can see by using alcohol, the phone back part easily open. Now we are going to separate all parts that connected to our motherboard. You have to look carefully because this is an important part of our video. Sorry about that, because of electricity problem we start our work next day. So you can see the lighting was changed. So we already collected all our necessary parts from our host motherboard. Right now you can see here is our new motherboard. We will prepare it. Now we are going to adjust all parts that we collected from our old motherboard. Our all parts adjustment complete here. Now it's time to checking our phone. If it's work properly, then we are done here. Lastly, we are adjust our back part by using some glue. So beautiful audience, our motherboard replacement complete here. I hope that by watching this video, you can easily replace your phone motherboard by yourself.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you had any kind of problem with your phone or phone settings, just drop a comment in comment section. Also, you can mail us. Here is our mail. That's all for today. Cheerio.